So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your architecture sketches into your masterpiece using Midjourney bot, or rather Midjourney AI. So let's start right here. Just want to let you know that Midjourney AI is inside Discord. So I suggest you create a Discord account and register to Midjourney. So basically, I just want you to click on this plus icon so we can upload the file of sketches. Let me just send it here. And by the way, I got this sketch from the internet as a sample, just for discussion purposes, okay? Now I want you to right click on this and copy the link. Not copy the text, okay? Copy the link. And from here, type in imagine. Click space, and then Control V or paste the link here. Add another space, and then enter the prompt. For example, the best prompt upon search earlier is going to be sunny day, okay? Walking pedestrians, and then with clear sky. Of course, you want trees also. And then lastly, make sure you add this one. This is the most important prompt: architecture render. Now lastly, add 2 dashes, type AR. This is going to be the aspect ratio. So basically 2:1 is going to be for landscape, and for portrait it's going to be 1 and 2. So since it's going to be a landscape, I'm going to click on 2:1, simply click on enter, and just wait for Midjourney to finish its magic. So this is the prompt I've used: sunny day, walking pedestrian with clear sky, trees, architecture render, and the aspect ratio. So as you can see, Midjourney is going to render it now, 0%. And as you can see right there, there's a fast option right there because Midjourney is going to be a best AI rendering option. So please take note, this is the image earlier, right? Now, I'm going to show you after the first trial, these are the results. It's not done yet, it's still on 62%. Let's wait for it to get to 100. And as you can see right now, it's almost done and it's perfectly great. Check out this over one right here. The upper left corner looks exactly the same as the one on sketches. To be honest, if you're going to ask me, this is actually good enough for me, but I'm going to take you another step further. So next one is going to be settings. Just type in settings, enter it, and make sure this remix mode is enabled, because by default it's not enabled. Just make sure it's enabled, right? And then next one's going to upscaling the specific image you want. For example, on this result, let's just say I want this one, or for example you want this one right here, the one on the upper left. Simply click on UI or U1. We're going to upscale the image one. Simply click on that one, and Midjourney will get it to upscale it for a better quality. So as you can see right there, this is the upscaled version of earlier, and also you can upscale it a little bit more. Upscale it to 2 times or 4 times its result. So that's upscaling, giving the quality much more better. Lastly, I want you to click on blend. This is the last option right here. But before you click on blend, make sure you download the specific photo you want to blend. I'm just gonna save image right there. I'm gonna save it to the desktop, name it sample 1 so it's easy to find, and then simply click this one to upload the sample. Once I'm good to go, click on enter. So good thing right here, this option is required: specify a value, add another image. So make sure you add 2. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on this one. I'm gonna click the upscale 4, so I'll get another result. So that's a good thing. So Midjourney likes 2 before blending, or rather it requires 2. Simply click on that one and wait for it to save. Wait, I think I misclicked something. Save it. Sample 2, go to desktop, click on save. Now I'm gonna upload the sample 2, and then I'm good to go. Just simply click on enter. Now this is gonna be the last step of the scaling. After this one, you'll see the result. It's very good. So again guys, Midjourney is a paid version, and I think the pricing per month is around $10 to $15. Please correct if I'm wrong, okay? So try it out. As you can see, it's better. It's really worth it. Now let's just go back right here, waiting for it to start. Again guys, this is totally a best option for rendering. Let's wait for it and I'll get back to you once done, okay? So welcome back. Though upscale and blending earlier has finished, and look at the results. The first 2 are the ones from the upscale version, sample 1, and the one on the bottom is sample 2. So Midjourney gave us 4 samples, 2 of each, and actually it's the best. So if you want to download, for example, the one on the upper left, simply click on U1. If you want the one on the upper right, simply click on U2. Basically, that's how you transfer your accurate sketches into a masterpiece using Midjourney. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.